today I'll be showing you what the train that you gave me. Right, so we'll have to go into Trainland, and when I say Trainland, you've got to say ooh. And when I also show that sign. So let's go into Trainland. There is the train. There is a level crossing. Right, I just need to move these cars and this fire engine. Right, let's get it going. Right, so that was it in action. Now I'm going to reverse it back to the pub, then let the cars through. And now it's off the rails, so I need to put the front wheels back on the rails. And now it's got a bit stuck. So what I've got to do is put it back on. Put it back on the rails. And see, it's too big. So I've got to move it forwards, stop it. No, I won't stop it actually, so I'll let it keep on going. And let the cars through. So now it's open. There goes the fire engine. Now the pub is on fire, so it's going to put the fire out.